Hi all, how you doing? Hope you're doing great wherever you are in the world. So, if you've been watching certain YouTubers, their comment section is quite often filled with a lot of garbage, such as this. So, I'm actually in Cryptos Are Us, and in his comment section, he gets a lot of comments like this, AMS37 and AWS and that kind of thing. Okay, so, and what they say as YouTubers, they sort of say, well, that's too much. I can't, go into all of these and block all of these, okay? But these come up a lot. So what you can do, rather than block all of them, okay, you can block the start of these numbers. So there's only about 20 really that you need to block. So here I've blocked AWS 1, um, AMS 3, okay. So all you have to do is AWS 2, AWS 3, oops, oh well, AWS 3, AWS 4, AWS 0, AWS 5, AWS 6, AWS 7, AWS 8, AWS 9, and the other one is AMS. Okay, so AMS 0, AMS 1, AMS 2, AMS 3, AMS 4, AMS5, AMS6, AMS7. So it doesn't really take that long to do this. AMS9. Okay, so that should also block, things like AMS91 and things like that. So it's the start of the string. So it should block all of those. Let's just hope it's like so go to settings, go to community, come down, and there we go. All of those have now been done. Okay, so if you see that a lot of comments in a YouTuber that you like and you're fed up, what you could do is maybe point them to my video to say how you can get rid of those stuff like this. Okay, so obviously because I've got AWS 1 in there now as blocked, it should block the whole string, or maybe it blocks the whole comment. I'm not exactly sure how it works, but hopefully what I've done there should block the whole thing. I hope. Um, okay. That's all I wanted to do. Okay, so hope you like that little short video. Hopefully you found it useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share the video to some YouTubers who find it difficult to stop these spam comments.